Okay. I was gonna show all this crap, but all right. Oh.
This is a weekly test of the new
Is that?
radio hazards warning device for station
Because that's a whole other thing. I'm about to get that as a thumbnail.
to warn of the impending hazard.
Oh, yes. Come on. Oh yeah, baby.
Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Carbon testing of the signal normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Oh, it's still there.
If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
That's there.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning
That's 6 hours. Okay.
will vary at any given location.
15. That's good.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and the main areas near
Oh yeah,
the
right.
Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania,
I was gonna drive, but
Delaware, Montgomery, and
oh well.
Philadelphia. In
Too late for that.
Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer,
I
Monmouth,
saw
and
one.
Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly
This
test
one's a
of
little bit
weather
ahead on the
radio
scroll,
all
but,
hazards.
you know.
Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
They still both won.
Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. At 11 a.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was...
Okay. And then it's a lot harder to swing across here now with the fucking wheel, but make it work. Oh.
In Wilmington, it was cloudy.
Okay, we'll drive now since we didn't get it earlier. Ugh. Ow. Ow. Oh. All right, here we go. All right, let's roll. On the gas. Okay. It's the only one that takes us to crash. Oh yeah, there's pedals down there. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't hit him. Oh my god, I'm goated. Pay attention to the road. Okay. Is something tailing me? I feel like something's like on my ass. It's fine. Yeah. Oh shoot, that's a fucking rocks. Oh, that's more rocks. Turn. More rocks. Okay, yeah, I crashed. We're done there. I'm not. Let's keep going. Keep going. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, that's over. Yeah, okay. Well, good enough.